First the blush colorway, then the supermoon yellow, now the utility black. It's a three-peat. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the adidas Yeezy 500 in the utility black colorway. So we're currently 3 for 3 on the adidas Yeezy 500. We did the blush review, then the supermoon yellow, and then now we're getting into the utility black colorway. It's funny because as the more colorways release, a lot more of them are sitting. So at the time of recording this, which is Sunday the 8th, you could still find this shoe at retail on adidas.com in a couple sizes. And this is the first Yeezy shoe outside of the power phases that I can think of where the shoe is sat for longer than an hour and a half. It's just an interesting paradigm shift for the Yeezy series because originally Kanye did say that he wanted everybody who wanted a pair of Yeezys to get a pair of Yeezys, and with the power phases and the Yeezy 500 as well as the multitude of restocks that are coming this year, it looks like that's going to be the case. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard Yeezy 500 box, so it's the brown box with the 500 number on the top, and the colorway is utility black. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a combination of cowhide, leather, suede, and mesh to create the shoe. Taking a look at the toe, you have the cow skin toe, as well as the leather panel and the mesh, and the whole thing is utility black. Moving towards the tongue, you've got the mesh tongue with the overlay detailing, and this is in leather. The insole is a black Ortho Light insole, and it has the Adidas logo as well as the Adidas Yeezy word mark. Taking a look at the lateral, you have the cow skin overlays on the mesh base, along with the combination of the rubber detailing and the suede that separates the midsole from the upper. For the heel, you've got a combination of the mesh, suede, and cowhide, and all of it is in utility black. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you've got the mesh base, as well as the cowhide overlay panel, and the suede and rubber detailing between the midsole. The shoe features an Adi premium midsole with a non-marking outsole, and both of them are also in utility black. To be honest, I had no intentions of picking up this colorway. I wasn't a fan of the shade of black that they used. I wish that they used the all black colorway that Kanye West was seen wearing. And this colorway I don't like this charcoal gray type look. It's funny that this shoe sat and is currently still available because the Butter 350 came out last week and instantly sold out. So I don't think that Adidas is necessarily increasing production numbers. I think that people just aren't really big fans of the Yeezy 500, which is a shame because the quality on this shoe is amazing and is much better than the Yeezy 350. It's just the aesthetic and the fact that this is a dad shoe. But outside of that, the quality on the shoe is fine. The black does look a little ashy, but that's the shade of black that they used for the shoe. It's on all the materials, the same color. And I think that may have hurt it more than it helped it as well. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump.
Little.
Yeezy 500 Utility Black is now available at select retailers and on Yeezy Supply for a retail price of $200. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.